Hey, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you a hot topic in the business niche, creating Twitter-style posts. For this tutorial, we'll be using Canva, a versatile design tool. First, open any browser and go to Canva. Once you're there, click on Create a Design and search for Instagram posts. Click on it to open a blank template with Instagram post dimensions. You can adjust the size according to your needs. In the design section, type tweets in the search bar. You'll see multiple templates pop up. Select any template you like and customize it to your desire. You can change the background image or color and customize the name and username. Let's edit it together. Here is our tweet, customized just the way we want it. If you want to find tweet templates directly, simply go to the home page, search for tweets, and select any template to customize it. And there you go. If you found this video informative, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials. Plus, don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new content. Thanks for watching.